family, welcome back to the channel. And guys, we are back here on the streets of Accra Ghana. Today I'll be taking you guys around this neighborhood that we have here in this city. Though we came to eat in this restaurant here, but they are preparing the food, so I just let me take the time to walk around the neighborhood since I feel they have nice houses around there, so I can show you guys what an average middle class neighborhood here in Accra looks like. Guys, let's go this way so that I will not miss my road, because this is how we came. This is the restaurant that we want to eat. So I'll just try to walk around before they serve the food. So guys, what really piqued my interest in this neighborhood is the serenity. Though it's like a link road. This particular place I'm working right now is a link road, but then you can still feel some sense of, calmness in the neighborhood. And that's the reason why I decided that, okay, let me walk around to explore this neighborhood. Mr. Marcus said that this place is called Kanda Estate here in Accra, and it has close proximity to some of the key areas in the city. We came from the Bank of Ghana side to this place, and we didn't spend up like, I don't think we spent up like 10 minutes drive to get to this place. And walking this way, this is what it looks like. They have paved road. And Mr. Marcus also told me that this neighborhood is one of the old money neighborhood here in Ghana. You guys know what we call old money, right? So this neighborhood is one of them, and you can tell from the kind of buildings that are there, the layout. You can see that they somehow look ancient, but still very nice. And the layout too is even. So I'm just going to walk a little distance so I can rush back to go meet my people at the restaurant. And that's what we are going to be doing right now. Let's see what are the things that they have in this neighborhood. Aside from residential houses, what are the other things that are in this neighborhood that makes it stand out? Okay, so I will cross and go that way. Guys, the road in this neighborhood is very busy. I can see this is a link road. Yeah, this is a link road. They have a major road down there. So let's just cross to this side. We'll take a short walk inside this street so we can have a good view of this neighborhood. Okay, let's start. I'm coming from that way, coming this way. That's a shop, I think. And these are houses. Kanda Estate. This is Kanda Estate in Accra, Ghana. That's the fashion designer shop over there. What town is that? Oh, okay. What do we have here? Okay, this is a street. This place very quiet, and it's true, everything here speaks old money, really old money. There's a special kind of breeze that is blowing in this neighborhood. I mean, this particular street that I have, it's so fresh. They have so many trees around. Walking down like this, they have so many trees. You guys can see trees over there. See trees. I don't even know if this particular part is I don't think there are houses. There's any house there. Yeah, we'll have to turn back. This is a close. So I already come out from the the close, and I'm walking on the street right now towards that's a major road over there. me, I'll just walk down a little bit and turn back. So these are different things that you can find in this neighborhood. They have a lot of offices and quarters. Can see people selling things on the road: banana, plantain, eggs. I think different varieties of them. Fruits, avocado. It's even like a traveling agency. Let me go towards this direction. Let's see. And guys, can you see that they have nice outfits? They have, even though they look somehow old, they are still okay, right? Really old money. The structure are on point. The design, the architecture is bam, 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 bam. So I'm just going to walk this way a little. Yeah. I have to be careful on this road though. So I think this is one of the neighborhoods in Ghana, in Accra rather, that is well paved and it's serene, very quiet and peaceful. If you're living in anywhere here, you're gonna enjoy your peace a lot and not be stressed. If you know what we call Bodija, for people that know Ibadan in Nigeria, if you know what we call Bodija, yeah, that's the perfect place that you can use that we can compare this neighborhood to Bodija in Ibadan. Let me see Lagos. Where can we compare this neighborhood to Lagos? So let's say maybe Ikeja, yeah. In Lagos. So they have shops here. I see different shops and businesses. So we can compare this place to Ikeja in Lagos and in Cotonou. Where can we compare this place to in Cotonou? Kate Jack. Yeah. Kate Jack in Cotonou. So some of the streets, their roads are not that great. There's a road down there too. I don't know, I walked a little bit far from where my people are. But I was just trying to walk a little bit more distance to show you guys more. Then I can call it a day. You guys know that there is no way I will come to somewhere that I know that you all should know about, and I will not take a moment to share it with you guys. No way. So let's continue. Okay. I think we are getting to some of the more nicer parts. Sensation restaurant and event. I have a restaurant over there. But someone cannot even know. I know that they have a restaurant there. Except for people maybe that know them before. That's the street there. Kanda Street. Oh. Okay. Let's go this way, guys. Ooh. Okay. To see if I'll get where my people are. So guys, like I said earlier, this is Kanda Estate here in Accra, Ghana. Look at this video, isn't it beautiful? The estate is very peaceful, quiet. Oh, look at that cute little puppy. Such a little creature. So I will try to see if I can get someone that I can ask for the cost of getting a space here, so you guys can know, learn about it. We all can know, have an idea. For my Ghanaian people, if you are familiar with this area and you are watching this video right now, please let us know in the comment section the cost of living in this neighborhood, like the cost of getting 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and any other thing that you feel we should know about the neighborhood. How safe is it, and maybe the cost of living here, because you know different areas and neighborhoods have their own cost of living. So I do not hold money, so please let's know. Oh, look at this view, so nice. Guys, look at this. I love this view, so nice. And they have different kind of restaurants too, most especially on the roadside. They have a lot on the roadside, and you guys can see, right? Look at the design of this restaurant. So everywhere is gated. I think they sell dessert or I know them. God, I just hope I'm not passing the wrong road. Look at this supermarket here, guys. I hope I'm afraid I'm not passing. Where is this place? I just passed now. It was something like you're entering a security zone. Drive with care there. And I don't really know what that means. Maybe there's a military zone around this neighborhood. Ghanaian brothers and sisters, like, please enlighten us. Like, is there a military zone in this neighborhood? Because I also heard a siren of police, like, somewhere. They passed earlier. It was only one. But I couldn't film that side because I don't want trouble. So please enlighten us. Let us know more about this neighborhood. This is nice. So now I'm walking back to where my people are, and I just hope that I'm going the right way. I think it's that road. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this neighborhood in Ghana? Like I said earlier, guys, this is an average neighborhood in Ghana, and I also learned that it's one of the old money neighborhoods. So one of the ancient developed neighborhoods. Is very peaceful, very nice. Aside from this link road that cars are passing to link to the major road, I think it's a very peaceful and calm neighborhood. It's only the cars passing that might be disturbing you if you're staying in this neighborhood. But anything aside from that, it's great. I think there is a military base here, because I just saw a military man that walked out of one of the restaurants that they have somewhere around there. So Ghanaian brothers and sisters, let's know, tell us more about this neighborhood in the comment section. We'd like to learn, we'd like to know more, and every other thing that you can share with us, it will be very much appreciated. So with this, guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching this part. Don't forget to like, share it with your friends, share it with your family, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So until next time, we'll meet again. Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.